Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage doing a bit of goofing around tonight. And thought I'd start off with a mail call. Got a couple of cool things to show you guys. Cool things to add to the collection and to keep the 2240 build going. We'll open this up first. I want to throw out there that if you're building a 2240, if you get the baseline 2240 with the plastic, ooh, it's over here. With the plastic receiver, that it will more than likely come with a pressed together bolt, and that bolt will not fit in the steel receiver if you're doing an upgrade to the steel receiver. So just fair warning, if you go ahead and buy a steel receiver, make sure you either have the two-piece bolt or order a two-piece bolt. But let's go ahead and open this package up. I did actually order two of them. So these are coming from Alchemy Airworks. Bought a lot of stuff from this guy on eBay here, but so the one piece, or the plastic bolt actually has a piece that pops out. You can get the one piece bolt out, and then with the steel breech, I guess you call it, that does not pop out, and you actually have to have a two-piece bolt that threads together, where the the original bolt is a I think it's made out of brass, but it's a one-piece unit that's pressed together and then looks like it's peened over on the back side, so it will not come apart. So there we have a couple of bolts. So plan on doing some other work on maybe my 1322 as well, so I figured I'd get one and be ahead of the game with that. So there's those parts, and then this is a new air pistol. I've been searching for one of these for quite a while. I had one that was on loan to the channel for a little while from one of my local friends here, and ever since I've had his, I really wanted to get one, but boy, these things can get spendy quick. So I've been searching and searching. Finally found one that needs a little TLC. They claim it actually does cock and fire, but there's one problem with it that I'm going to have to try to figure out. Well, I'll show you when I get it out here. But got it wrapped up pretty good. Box inside of a box. Let's see here. Some tape there. Tape there. Tape there. Out here playing around with my my red dots here. Let's see what we got here. We got a note here. Let's see. Thanks for bidding. The pistol is not assembled. All the loose parts are in plastic bags. Okay, make sure the grip slide off with downward motion. So, all right. Let's see what we got here. We got just an invoice for how much I paid. A lot less than they normally go for. So there's a bag of parts. What do we have here? Oh, little bag of pellets. I guess he didn't need them anymore. Alright, so here's the that'd be a nice box to keep projects in. Let's see what we got here. Did a very nice job of wrapping this thing up, for sure. Okay, almost there. Stand by. Alrighty. So this is a high score target model. And like I said, I've wanted one of these for quite a while now. It has all the pieces. There's the trigger guard, and so the problem with it is the bolt is in the bag here that actually holds the top part into the handle, and the problem is where that bolt screws into the handle there is all stripped out, so I need to figure out some way to secure that bolt back into the handle. I don't know if it used to have threads in the plastic, or if it used to have like a nut cert in there. Can't really tell. If anybody knows, got any suggestions, I mean, I kind of knew this was coming and I needed to do something with that, but I mean, it kind of screws into that plastic way down deep in there. I don't know. I was kind of thinking if I coated the bolt with like some mold release grease or whatever, and then filled the hole with JB Weld, and so let's see what we got going on here. All right, well, it cocks. Gotta be careful here while I'm that thing to slam shut on me. All right, so I guess it doesn't go down far enough in to where it's catching where the threads still were. It doesn't seem to be anyway. Not quite. Well, let's just see what happens here. I guess I don't have the, oh yeah, I don't have the, that spring down inside there, so. All right, looks like I've got a little bit of engineering to come up with here, but there you go. There is the, and then the trigger guard would go in here like this. So it's a complete gun. I just need to figure out how to get that that handle to be secure. I'll play around with it, engineer something, and it'll be a lot of fun. So anyway, there you go. There is the mail call for tonight. High score, and this one is in 177 caliber, so that's pretty cool. They come in 177 and 22 caliber. All right, shouldn't be a big deal though. But anyway, there's my mail call for tonight. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, have a great day.